Sino yan sila? Who are they? Oh, commander in chief.
Used to be George Washington.
Huh?
That was George Washington. Wait a minute. Yo?
Yo, yo, yo. And
I know you don't like this.
the French Navy.
Oh, that's French.
The
They're
Lieutenant
not gonna hurt you, though.
Major General. Iris na ang ganda ditong pasyalan, no? Kasi ano, mayroong dagat dyan. Tsaka pwede ka ding mag-picnic doon sa kabila, like family outing. Tsaka pwede ka ding maligo dito. May bus pa, may bus din sila. Oh, sis, Yorktown. So, yan guys, update tayo doon sa kabila pag ano, pupunta kami doon. Yan yung bridge on the top. Sobrang haba ang bridge na yan hanggang dulo.